Manual recording will now start.
And they will never regain the trust of gamers as long as they keep doing this. It makes them look like they don't believe in their own products.
Manual recording will now start.
You're going to ask them to resurrect the games they've already killed. Even more insane, because the final glove swap event is the easiest one because they're
What the fuck are you doing?
Just tail them up. People were abandoning even more pets, literally right outside the doors of the charity buildings, and not even going.
If you go to Africa or the Middle East or something, you find hyper-nationalistic sentiment. You can get Hitler ice cream in India. They don't apparently have a problem with this.
Manual recording will now start.
Disappointing this is not rechargeable though. We have light. It just seems to be not very bright light. I'll test that out later on. But okay, that was
Manual
easy.
recording will now start.
Even headlights on that one.
Metrics, you know, but there's other things that's just like, you know, you might be on a, yeah, I think a full magnifying.
Yeah, let's stop. Check.
Oh shit.
Throw off my tolerances by going back to some Delta 8 gummies.
Friendlies. Really, dude.
Manual recording will now start.
Be business 40.
Yeah, like exits like 111 through 107 are god awful.
I have to just kind of wipe it down, and I don't feel like that cleans it as much as when I put the case in the washing machine. So that's the only downside to it. But other than that, it's held up well.
Infuriating. Are you always looking out for original and creative strategy games that let you play for days, only for it to inevitably end in its pronoun guide? Are your personal pronouns Nia and Nian? Are you, for want of a better term,
Oh shit.
You know, being paid for something is not necessarily the same as being paid for a good review. Believe it or not, there are a couple of gun tubers that still have the concept.
T2, I removed the 6 or so games that were not utter shit. Got rid of all the 3 and 4 out of 10 games.
Manual
which was
recording
most of
will
them,
now start.
and I was left with a list of worthy candidates that
You gonna move?
Manual recording will now start.
and they can frankly get to the fuck.
Games are good for persuading people to see the world in a different way.
What happened here?
Yeah, there were some more AI questions. Okay, so I'll just stick to this one for now. I had not thought about that. However,